a visual paradise, and being in complete awe of nature. That's how I describe the landscapes of the Philippines to be. Welcome to the third chapter of the Philippines series. Here, I've come a really long way. The journey consisted of multiple ferries, car rides, tricycles, and wrong turns, and a total of 10 hours to reach my end goal. This is Siquijor.
I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again.
An island that stands unparalleled owing to its beauty and also often referred to by the locals as the island of magical oceans and beaches.
Let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
सुबह 5 बजे की फेरी थी from Camotes to Cebu, and for this we had to reach the ferry terminal at 4 a.m. to be able to get the tickets, क्योंकि ये tickets online pre-book नहीं हो सकती. So secure the tickets and on to the ferry. So a very good morning and welcome to this episode जहाँ पे I am going to be visiting this very quaint island. This island is known for its witchcraft and some magic. And मुझे नहीं पता कि ये किस हद तक सच है, but I'm very excited to go and find out more about this place. फिलहाल मैं एक फेरी पे हूँ. लास्ट एपिसोड में आपने देखा होगा आई वॉज एट दिस आइलैंड विच इज कॉल्ड एज द कमोतेज आइलैंड. तो कमोतेज से मैं निकल के जा रही हूँ सीबू, और सीबू से फिर मैं जाऊँगी सिक्वियोर. बाय द वे ये जो फेरी के डिस्टेंसेस है, टाइमिंग्स है, दीज आर ऑल सेट एंड दे डू नॉट मूव अराउंड लाइक द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द फेरीज और कितने बजे ये फेरी का स्केड्यूल होता है. सो मेक श्योर आप अपनी पूरी आइटनरी उसके अराउंड बेस करो. आई एम लर्निंग फ्रॉम माई मिस्टेक्स एज वेल. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम Camotes to Cebu is a 3-hour ferry, and then from Cebu to Siquijor takes 5 hours by ferry. So keeping all that in mind, please make plans accordingly. सारे details मैं मतलब vlogs में mention ही करूँगी in either text or in the captions of the video, so don't forget to check that out. For now, I'm just enjoying the sunrise. सुबह 5 बजे की ferry ली थी, तो अभी sunrise हुआ है. मेरे पीछे moon भी set हो रहा है. Very beautiful setting. 3 घंटे मेरे पास इस फेरी में फिलहाल. सो या जस्ट गेटिंग सम ब्यूटीफुल शॉट्स टू शो यू गाइज व्हाट बीइंग इन दिस फेरी लुक्स लाइक फ्रॉम माय POV. Siquijor Island is pretty far, and there are multiple ways to reach this island. So you can do like a combination of a car and a ferry or a bus and a ferry. And it was a little complicated when we were trying to figure out कि कैसे यहाँ पे exactly पहुँचना, because there are set and fixed timings of the ferries. There's a schedule which is followed, which you can find out. इनके जो terminals है वहीं पे जाके. There's not much help online about it. So we actually had to come to the terminal to find out. But terminal पे आके हमें पता चला कि you can even drive down. तो बेसिकली जो 4 या 5 घंटे हमें डायरेक्टली फेरी से पहुंचने में लग रहे थे. नाउ वी आर ड्राइविंग 4 hours टिल अ सर्टेन पॉइंट, टिल दिस प्लेस विच इज कॉल्ड सैंटेंडर, एंड फिर वहाँ से 1 घंटे का फेरी है टू सिक्वियोर, विच इज़ अ मच बेटर ऑप्शन, क्योंकि वरना वी वुड हैव टू वेट टू गेट अ फेरी एट 1 o'clock and that would be a lot of time waste. So this is a good option if you're if you are pretty much earlier than time like I am. May sound a little overwhelming at this point to you, but to explain it a little better, I'll put it in text or in the caption of the video, so don't forget to check that out. फिलहाल हम सिबू सिटी से निकल चुके हैं. हमने एक गाड़ी ली है और it's a 4-hour drive to this Santander, which is the last point जहाँ तक आप रोड से जा सकते हो, और फिर वहाँ से हम फेरी लेंगे जो सिर्फ 1 ही घंटे की फेरी है टू सिक्वियोर. to secure is much more than you'd assume it to be in terms of getting to the island. Like I said earlier, distance-wise it is quite far, but again, these ferries, they have specific schedules. They only run on specific times. अब हम उस गाड़ी से ड्राइव करके 4 घंटे ड्राइव करके यहाँ पे तो पहुँच गए, बट apparently there's no ferry over here, and now we have to go to another ferry terminal, take a ferry from here to go to another ferry terminal, another port, और वहाँ से होपफुली हमें सिक्योर के लिए फेरी मिल जाएगी. आई जस्ट होप घूम फिर के जितना भी हम जर्नी कवर कर रहे हैं दिन में, बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे एटलीस्ट वी रीच सिक्योर. It's a beautiful island, and the only thing keeping me going really is that how gorgeous that island is. Probably it's just all worth it. अभी फिलहाल just got some cup noodles यहाँ से बाहर से to carry on the ferry. Let's see. Hopefully हम secure आज पहुँच जाएंगे. Okay, so it's been one hell of a day. यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ घूमते फिरते इतने सारे ferries change किए, and finally we have managed to buy the tickets for the secure island. I don't know if I feel excited, happy, overwhelmed, frustrated, all in one. But I feel like when you're traveling, these are just different learnings. जब आप किसी जगह पे पहली बार जाते हो और आपको नहीं पता होता, जब इंटरनेट पे भी इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं अवेलेबल होता, और जब लोकल्स से भी आपको उतनी मदद नहीं मिल रही हो, then probably getting lost and then finding your way is the only way out. अब जब हमने ये we've done this tedious route, तो अब पता चला कि रिटर्न के टाइम पे what is the easier way out. But all's well that ends well, so finally we've got the ticket. अब 6 बजे की फेरी जाती है यहाँ से 6 PM, और अभी बजे है 4:15, so we have almost 2 hours to kill. तो यहीं पे टर्मिनल के बाहर बहुत सारे कैफ़ेज़ है, रेस्टोरेंट्स है, तो I've got myself some coffee. बस यहीं पे थोड़ा टाइम बिताऊंगी 2 घंटे, और फिर board the ferry to secure at 6 PM. So there's something which is very different about this specific ferry terminal. ये जो है यहाँ पे कुछ extra ही security है. Like for example, we went to the other islands so far. Not the other islands actually, एक ही island. But we went to other ferry terminals, at least 3 to 4 in just आज का दिन. और जब से आए हैं तब से तो 4-5. तो usually जब आप terminal पे entry करते हो तो they take a terminal fee. And just you enter and then you go when your ferry comes, and it's a very small sort of a waiting area as compared to what this is. Like, look at this area behind me. It is completely air conditioned. It is supremely clean. मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा सिक्योर आइलैंड के बारे में इतना क्या खास है. there's just a very different vibe about getting to this island starting से ही. Like the terminal fees are higher here. It's 30 peso, it's 15 peso per person. बाकी जगहों पे 5 peso था. And not just that, just the look and feel of this place. It's so huge. It's completely air conditioned. There's like a cafe inside and all of that. There's a nursing area. There's like a nurse station seated here. So it's very different. Also मैंने वहाँ पे पूछा कि इतनी checking क्यों है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि this is the only ferry terminal जहाँ पे हमारा ID check हो रहा था, like any ID, your passport or whatever. So I asked them, why is there like special security here? Is there something so special or secure? But they said that this terminal in specific is maintained by the government as compared to the others. वो सारे private ferry terminals हैं और ये वाला government maintained है. So apparently that's why this is like so well maintained and so well done. But like really applause to this place. It's so amazing. तो अगर आप secure जाने के लिए इस फेरी टर्मिनल पे आ रहे हो तो कम बिफोर हैंड, दिस एम्पल स्पेस टू सिट एंड इट्स प्रीटी नाइस. good morning from Secure. Finally, मैं Secure पहुंच गई हूँ. मैं कल रात को पहुंची थी. It was pretty late, so I couldn't vlog at that time क्योंकि कुछ दिखने भी नहीं वाला था, अंधेरा था बहुत. बट मैं फाइनली आ चुकी हूँ. मैं फिलहाल बैठी हूँ मेरे होटल के रिसेप्शन मेरे होटल के रेस्टोरेंट एरिया में. I just finished breakfast and I have a long day ahead of me today क्योंकि मुझे सिक्योर में काफ़ी सारी जगहें देखनी है, एक्सप्लोर करनी है और आपको भी दिखानी है. तो कल मुझे जो फेरी टर्मिनल से यहाँ तक छोड़ने ट्राईसाइकिल ड्राइवर आया था, मैंने उसका नंबर ले लिया था और मैं आज उसी के साथ हूँ. मेरे पास एक्चुअली थोड़ा सामान है, शूटिंग का सामान, एज यू कैन सी दीज बैग्स बिहाइंड मी, तो इसलिए मैं उसके साथ जा रही हूँ. एंड या आई हैव सम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग प्लेसेस टू गो टू टुडे. लेट्स सी व्हाट सिक्योर हैज इन स्टोर फॉर अस. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड and let's go to the tricycle. So I decided to rent a bike and got a driver along ताकि मैं shoot कर पाऊँ. And being day one, today in Secure, I have a number of places to take you guys around. The islands of the Philippines cater to a number of water adventure activities, and cliff jumping is a common sight across some beautiful locations here. मैं ऐसे ही एक जगह पहुंच गई, the Pitogo Cliff, a popular spot for cliff jumping into the beautiful crystal waters of Secure. The minute you reach this place, you'll be stunned at the gorgeous views of the vast turquoise ocean that looks so inviting. Okay, तो मैं आ गई हूँ location 1 पे, which is a cliff and it's called as the Pitogo Cliff. Apparently, this is a point जहाँ से आपको पूरा island देखने मिलता है. It's got some amazing views. The entry is just 30 pesos. तो मैं उसकी तरफ चल के जा रही हूँ. Let's see what is this place like. And Secure is known to be the king of waterfalls. यहाँ इतने waterfalls है कि आप literally waterfall hopping कर सकते हो. But I decided to pick two. One which is extremely popular and touristy, and one known to just the locals and less touristy kind of a waterfall. Cambugehe waterfall is a cascading 4-level waterfall, beautiful and turquoise, and you will see a number of activities to do here. So mostly you will see people either rope swinging or on little rafts. These of course are separately payable. The waterfalls do get a bit crowded post 11 a.m. and so try and get here as early as possible to make the best of the waterfalls if you want them less crowded. So the waterfall culture out here in the Philippines is amazing. आप यहाँ पे literally waterfall hopping कर सकते हो because इतने सारे waterfalls हैं, especially जहाँ मैं अभी हूँ Secure Island पे. यहाँ पे back to back एक ही जगह पे काफ़ी सारे waterfalls हैं. So the most popular one was the Cambugehe, the first one that we went to. But like you saw वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है because also it is one of the most popular ones. So I wanted to visit something थोड़ा जो कम popular है. तो I decided to also then come by the Lokong Falls जहाँ मैं अभी चल के फिलहाल जा रही हूँ. It's just a 5-minute hike to the fall. Cambugehe के बाजू में ही था, but you need to ask the locals a little bit. Lokong अगर आप बोलोगे everybody knows. So let's go find out. यहाँ पे hopefully बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं होंगे because lesser people know about it. The locals know more about it. So let's go and check out Lokong waterfalls. And that's true. I actually had the entire waterfall just to myself, and how beautiful it was to just sit here. And that is the thing with waterfalls here. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा थोड़ा ढूंढना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे literally सिर्फ 3 लोग हैं and I'm the 4th one और वो भी अब निकल रहे हैं. So I may just have the entire waterfall to myself. And this place feels so beautiful. Lokong Waterfalls. It's not as huge as the Kambuge. It's a much smaller one, but it's very beautiful, very secluded and very calm. यहाँ पे भीड़ नहीं है. That's amazing. The Philippines can get extremely hot and humid, and while you're exploring out in the sun, it's best to take small breaks to re-energize. So next up for me was a quick lunch break at a local restaurant shown by my driver.
It's very nice, very nice, yeah.
Okay, because I don't know how to swim, so I'm a little scared.
You have a nice jacket.
Yeah. Okay.
You can hold the tour guide.
Yeah, I will hold the truck.
You
Hold.
need the salvavida.
Yeah, it's okay. Where are you from, Mom?
India.
From India.
You stay here. You're from Sikra.
Yeah.
That's
I'm
nice.
from here. I born here, and in my house is over there.
Oh,
From here, 3 minutes. Ride a motorbike.
oh, very close.
Yeah, very close here.
Mm-hmm. But alongside some breathtaking waterfalls and cliffs, Siquijor is also home to some caves, one which I was very intrigued about. Welcome to an underground river cave called the Sambulavan Cave Underground River. Remember I mentioned at the start, Siquijor is touted to be an island of witches, where even today witchcraft, wizardry, magic potions and healing practices are prevalent. The mountain people are said to believe in something called the Bolo Bolo healing, a form of healing using stones, water and magic potions to heal one from the evil or just for good health. I was rather intrigued about this practice and decided to visit a Bolo Bolo practitioner, what the islanders would call a wizard. I'm not sure if this really made a difference to me, but he said the smoke from the potion would cleanse my body and soul and take away any evil eye that may have cast upon me. So I decided to end this rather eventful day by just taking a stroll at a nearby beach that my driver took me to and absorbing the beautiful pink sunset. Siquijor, an island that is far away from the noisy cities and the popular touristy islands, this gem of a location is something that should definitely be on your list of visit. But we have a new day to explore a bit more. The Salangdong beach is another tourist favorite spot, and when I got here, I realized why. Imagine walking into a crystal clear blue and turquoise ocean where you can cliff jump, or just sit and picnic. Salandung is a heaven for ocean lovers. So I grabbed some lunch thereafter, and since it was too sunny during the day, I decided to chill back at my hotel and finish up some work. In the evening, I head to a place called Runik, one of the only and most beautiful pool bars of the island. Runik has beautiful interiors with sunbeds, jacuzzis, pools, and tables to sit by and sip a beer and grab a bite. And I had reached right in time for a stunning sunset. Siquijor is an island you must definitely have on your itinerary when visiting the Philippines. Its pristine waters and laid-back vibe is quite the quintessential recipe for a perfect getaway. Stay tuned for Chapter 4, where we will take things up a notch and indulge in adventure like never before.